Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell button for our latest videos. Share your experiences in the comment. Share our videos to the world. You are awesome, and we welcome you to our family worldwide. I bow down to your divinity. Thank you. The inner voice. Make yourself comfortable. Lie down. Rest. Relax. Relax. Be calm. Calm. Be still. Be still. Take a deep breath, saying, "Oh, oh, oh." Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. At this moment, this second, this hour, this year, in my solitude, I raise up my hands to give thanks and glory to you, my inner voice. I came into this world alone from my mother's womb. To thee, I give thanks to my mother. To my father, I give thanks to thee through my inner temple of divinity as a son of the soil. My approach to life is a subjective vibrational frequency through objective adjustment of my mind planet under the guidance of my inner voice, God temple. Relax, relax, be calm, calm, be still, be still, be calm. Take a deep breath, saying, "Oh, oh, oh." Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. In divine oneness and in alignment with my inner voice, I humbly bow down to the universe, the earth, the sun, the air we breathe, and the water, plants, and animals that are sustaining our lives holistically and ecologically on this planet. I am fearless with no worries, for my inner voice is with me from dark to light, from imperfection to perfection. I have created my own mind planet based on life experiences, either good or bad. They are part of my lower and higher inner self as my own God. I own it with full responsibility, without blame on anything else, but entirely on me. If only I could have listened to my true inner voice. Relax, relax, be calm, calm, relax, be still, be still. Take a deep breath, saying, "Oh, oh, Ashe, Ashe. Oh, my inner voice, you have been with me since birth, until death arrives to depart from each other. But we are inseparable, indivisible, as energy. Spirit never dies. You are the positive and negative voice that dwells within me, and forgive me if I do not listen to you at times, but I know that my pure, true inner voice is always right and never forsaken me, even if I walk through the valley of death. For thee I worship and no other God, for I am that I am, God of my own inner temple. Relax, relax, be calm, calm down, be still, be still. Take a deep breath, saying, Om, Om, Om. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. I bow down to you, my inner voice, in adoration to the divinity that dwells in my ancestors, parents, the known and unknown, brothers and sisters worldwide, families, friends, plants and animals, as part and parcel of my humanitarian journey, with honesty as my best policy on this planet and beyond. Relax, relax, calm down, be calm, be still, be still. Take a deep breath, saying, Oh, Oh, Oh. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Oh, my inner voice, my inner temple, my divinity, my subconscious mind planet. To thee I humbly bow down with my inner strength and all the powers that is bestowed upon me, to fear no one, for thou art with me in this universe of ours. Relax, relax, be calm, calm down, be still, relax. Take a deep breath, saying, Oh, Oh, Oh. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.